is there a standardized way to log error codes and diagnostics for reference? For documentation of error codes and diagnostics, start by creating a structured service log template that captures date and time, device or system identifier, exact error code text, steps taken to reproduce the fault, diagnostic tests performed, and observed outcomes. Use plain language descriptions alongside raw codes so future readers understand context without needing the original operator present. Adopt a consistent naming convention for systems and components so entries are searchable and sortable. For example, device type _ serial number _ location. Include the test configuration and instrument settings when recording results so later technicians can replicate the same conditions. When a manufacturer provides an error code chart, cross-reference the logged code with the chart and record the corresponding root cause hypotheses plus any corrective actions attempted. After repairs or updates, append a final verification entry that lists the tests repeated, pass criteria, and the time the system returned to service. Common mistakes include logging unclear or incomplete information, which leaves out important reproducer steps. Fix this by writing step-by-step actions and the exact inputs used. Another issue is using inconsistent identifiers that make tracking across systems difficult. Solve that by enforcing a naming convention and adding a short legend in the log header. A third frequent problem is failing to update the log after a repair, so the next technician repeats work. Avoid this by making the final verification entry mandatory and including the person who closed the ticket and the date. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors around specific projects so users can find people who have experience with similar issues and systems. We also help contractors find work by listing project requests and providing a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange diagnostics tips, error code interpretations, and repair experiences.